Every vehicle on the road and every machine in an industry depends on lubricants to operate efficiently. But once these lubricants reach the end of their life, an important question arises. What happens to them next? When used lubricants are not collected and managed responsibly, they can contaminate soil, pollute water bodies, and contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. As industries continue to grow, responsible lubricant waste management is becoming an essential part of environmental sustainability. So, what does the current situation look like in India? During IRIS 2026, an industry expert shared valuable perspectives on the challenges of used lubricant management. One of the key concerns highlighted was the current linear life cycle of lubricants. Today, around 85% of used lubricants are disposed of improperly in India. Even more concerning, nearly half of these improperly disposed lubricants eventually find their way into the environment, increasing the risk of soil and water contamination. According to the expert, used lubricants contributes approximately 15 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions every year. To put that into perspective, that's equivalent to the world's entire current carbon capture capacity. These numbers highlight why improving lubricant collection, recycling, and recovery is essential for building a more sustainable and circular economy. The challenges surrounding used lubricant waste cannot be solved by one organization alone. If you're part of the lubricant, automotive, manufacturing, or recycling industry, we'd love to hear from you. What do you think is the biggest challenge in managing used lubricants? And what solutions can help India move towards a more circular future? Share your thoughts in the comments